Have you ever stopped to think, really think about the world around you? It's not just a place you exist in, it's a place you create in, every single day. Henry. David Thoreau once said, "The world is but a canvas to the imagination." He was right. You are the artist. Your life is the masterpiece in progress. This isn't some lofty, out-of-reach idea. It's simple, it's true, it's for you. Forget the fancy galleries for a moment. Forget the hushed museums and stern critics. Art isn't just for artists with a capital A. It's for everyone. It's for you. It's in the way you make your coffee, the way you arrange your desk, the way you tell a story to a friend. These are all brushstrokes on your canvas. These small acts are your art. They matter. This essay is an invitation to see things differently, to look at your own life, to find the art already there, and then to make more of it. Are you ready to begin? Think about your daily routine. Does it feel like a checklist or a series of creative acts? It can be the latter. It truly can. Every action you take is a choice of color, of form, of feeling. These choices are expressions of who you are, what you value, what you love. This is the heart of art. Art is not what you see, but what you make others see. Edgar Degas, a famous painter, said, "Your actions make others see you. They see your care, your humor, your style. When you set the table for dinner, that's an installation piece. When you write an email with care, that's a form of literature. Everyday things become special when you view them through this lens. The key is intention and attention. That's when life becomes art." What did you put on this morning? Did you just grab the first thing you saw, or did you make a choice? Either way, you said something. Your clothes speak before you do. They are your daily self-portrait, a wearable form of expression, a visual introduction to your story. Think of your closet as your art supply store, full of colors, textures, and shapes. Each morning, you're a stylist. You're a costume designer for the play of your life. You select pieces. You combine them. You create an outfit, an ensemble. This is a creative act, pure and simple. It reflects your mood, your personality, your aspirations for the day. Are you feeling bold, quiet, playful? Your clothes can show that. They are a silent conversation. Don't worry about trends. Don't worry about what others think. This isn't about fashion with a capital F. It's about personal style. Now let's step into the kitchen. Many think of cooking as a chore, a necessity, something to get done. But what if it's an art form? What if your kitchen is a studio and your ingredients are your paints? The stove, your kiln, the plate, your canvas. This shift in perspective changes everything. It makes the mundane magical. It turns necessity into an opportunity. Think about making a simple salad. You choose the greens, the reds, the yellows. You consider the textures, crunchy, soft, crisp. You think about the flavors, sweet, sour, savory. This is composition. This is design. You are creating a balance of elements, just like a painter or a sculptor, the way you chop vegetables, the way you arrange food on a plate. It's all part of your culinary art. Every time you stir a pot, every time you knead dough, every time you season a dish, you're making something new, something that didn't exist before, something beautiful. Section 5, Conversations as Compositions, the Art of Interaction. Art is not just about physical things, it's also about experiences, connections, how we interact with each other. That's a powerful art form too. Think of a good conversation. It has rhythm, it has flow, it has moments of harmony and sometimes moments of dissonance. These are the elements of a composition, a shared, co-created artwork. When you truly listen to someone, you're giving them your full attention. You are creating space for them. That's an act of generosity, an art. When you choose your words carefully, to express yourself clearly, kindly, you are crafting your message, like a writer crafts a sentence or a poet chooses a word. This shapes the interaction. Think about the stories you tell, the jokes you share, the questions you ask. These are all creative choices. Section 6. Work, play, create, infusing art into routine. Your work, your job, your daily grind. Can this be art too? Absolutely. It doesn't matter what you do. You can bring an artistic mindset to it. It's about how you approach your tasks, the care you put in, the creativity you apply, the problem solving you engage in. These are all artistic skills, skills you use every day, often without even realizing it. Think of a programmer writing code. It's like composing music, lines of logic, creating something functional, elegant, or a teacher planning a lesson, crafting an experience for students, trying to ignite curiosity, spark understanding. That's a performance, an act of creation. Section 7. Art as a bridge-building community and connection. Art is not a solitary pursuit. It thrives in the presence of others, in the shared spaces where creativity flows freely. Even when made alone, it's often for others. It's a gift, a message, a piece of oneself offered to the world. It's a way to connect, to share, to build bridges between people. Art transcends boundaries and speaks a universal language. Think about sharing a meal you cooked. The joy of seeing others enjoy what you've created is unparalleled, or a song you love. Music has the power to bring people together, to create moments of shared joy and connection. Or a book you read. Stories have a way of weaving us together, of making us see the world through different eyes. These are acts of connection, mediated by art, by creative expression. They are the threads that bind us. They say, this is me, this is my story, my vision, my voice. This is what I value, this is what I hold dear, what I want to share with you. And they invite others to share too, to join in the creative process, to add their own voices. Community art projects are a great example. They bring people together in a shared endeavor, a mural painted by neighbors, each stroke a testament to collaboration and unity, a local theater group putting on a play, a choir singing together. These are more than performances. They are communal experiences. These activities bring people together. They create a sense of belonging, a sense of being part of something bigger. They create a shared sense of purpose, a shared sense of accomplishment. They build bonds. They strengthen communities. Art gives us a common language, a way to understand each other. It bridges gaps and fosters dialogue. When we view life as art, we start to see the art in others too. We begin to appreciate the beauty in diversity. We appreciate their unique expressions, their styles, their stories, their creations. Each piece a window into another soul. This fosters empathy and understanding. It helps us to connect on a deeper level. It helps us see our common humanity. It reminds us that we are all part of the same tapestry. We are all artists in our own ways, each of us contributing to the collective masterpiece of life, trying to make sense of the world, trying to express our innermost thoughts and feelings, trying to leave our mark, to say, I was here, I mattered, trying to connect with each other, to build a community where everyone feels seen and valued. Section 8. The beauty of small things, finding wonder daily. Viewing life as art isn't about big dramatic gestures. It's about the subtle, often overlooked details that make up our everyday experiences. It's often about noticing the small things, the tiny, seemingly insignificant moments that can bring a smile to your face, the tiny moments of beauty and wonder that fill our everyday lives. These are the moments that can transform an ordinary day into something extraordinary. The way the sunlight filters through leaves, casting intricate patterns that dance with the breeze, the pattern of raindrops on a window, each drop creating a unique path as it journeys downward. The accidental arrangement of objects on a table, forming an unintentional yet captivating still life. These are fleeting masterpieces, available to us all the time if we only learn to see them. They are the hidden gems of our daily existence. This is like the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection and the passage of time, finding beauty in imperfection, in transience. It's about appreciating the natural cycle of growth and decay, appreciating the simple, the modest, the unconventional. These elements often hold the most profound beauty. A chipped teacup can be beautiful. It tells a story of use, of history, of moments shared. A crack in the pavement can be interesting. It adds character and uniqueness to an otherwise mundane surface. It's about shifting your perception, seeing the world through a lens of curiosity and appreciation, seeing the artistic potential in everything. Every moment, every object, every interaction holds the possibility of beauty. Not just the polished and perfect, but the real, the lived-in, the authentic. These are the elements that truly enrich our lives. This brings a quiet joy, a sense of contentment that comes from truly seeing and appreciating the world around you. When you start looking for these small wonders, you'll find them everywhere. They are always there, waiting to be discovered. The way your child draws a picture full of uninhibited creativity. It's a reminder of the boundless imagination we all possess. The taste of your morning coffee, a small daily ritual of pleasure. It's a moment to pause and savor. The sound of laughter from a nearby park, a spontaneous symphony of joy. These moments are precious. They remind us of the simple, unadulterated happiness that life can offer. They are the art of daily living, the small, beautiful moments that make life truly special. Section 9. Your life, your masterpiece. A creative call to action. So there you have it. Life is art, your life is art. Every moment, every experience, every decision you make contributes to the masterpiece that is your life. Every day is a new canvas, a fresh start, a new opportunity to create something beautiful, meaningful, and uniquely yours. Every choice is a brushstroke. Each decision adds color, texture, and depth to your life's painting. You are the artist, always creating, whether you realize it or not. Your actions, thoughts, and feelings are the tools you use to shape your world. The question is, what kind of art will you make? What vision will you bring to life? What story will your life tell? Will it be one of passion, creativity, and connection? This is your unique opportunity, your grand unfolding project. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for inspiration to strike like lightning. Just start. Begin where you are with what you have. Start where you are with what you have. Use the resources at your disposal and let your creativity flow. To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong, said Joseph Chilton Pearce. Embrace imperfection. Embrace the process. Understand that mistakes are part of the journey. The joy is in the doing, the making, the trying. It's in the act of creation itself, not just in the final product, not just in the final product. The process of creating is where the magic happens. Your life is a practice, a daily art practice. Show up for it, commit to it every day, infuse your routines with creativity. Let your daily activities be an expression of your artistic spirit. See the art in your cooking, your dressing, your conversations. Every aspect of your life can be a canvas. Look for beauty in the small things. Appreciate the details that make life extraordinary. Share your creations with others. Let your art inspire and connect with people around you. Build community through shared expression. Art has the power to bring people together. This isn't about becoming a famous artist. It's about finding joy and fulfillment in the act of creation. It's about living a more engaged life, a more expressive life, a more connected life. Embrace your creativity and let it transform your world.